Come on board the Maid of the Loch. Loch Lomond's paddle steamer. I'm just going to take you on a quick behind the scenes tour of the engine room. Show you the bits the visitors don't see. So now, this is the main engine. Two-cylinder compound built by Rankin and Blackmore of Greenock. So down this end, this is the main steam regulating valve. So steam comes down a big pipe into here through the high pressure piston, and then after that into the low pressure piston on this side, the big one. And from there it comes out here and into the condenser, where it's condensed and then pumped back to the boiler. So how does this all work? Now this here is the eccentric and the Stephenson's link. That changes the direction, and that's worked by the reversing engine, which is this white thing in the middle here. And the reason you need a reversing engine is the size of the thing. On a railway locomotive you may have just a big lever or a screw, or on an engine this size you need a bit of assistance reversing it. So what happens, on the control levers here, we have a reversing lever. So we put that ahead or astern. That sets the valve gear to run the engine ahead or astern. So there's no gears on it. It's just directly connected to the paddle shaft. So shaft goes out through there, and your paddles are outside through the wall. Let's go and take a look at those. You can just see through the window here. It's a bit dirty, but that's the panels, and the shaft just runs underneath here. That large red fan there, that was the forced draft fan for the boiler room, which is in through there. There's no boiler on the ship at the moment, currently fundraising for a new boiler. So let's take you outside, have a look at the ship on deck. So this is the paddle box. Paddles are inside there. Now, it's quite hard to see from this angle. The way the paddles are, the floats on the paddles are sort of hinged, so as they go in the water, they're at an almost vertical angle, and they stay like that until they come out of the water and then flip over. So there's a sort of mechanism for doing that. Can't quite see it there. It's the funnel up there and the wheelhouse. So we are raising money to make the paddles turn. I'm going to leave a link to the official websites in the description. So if you're watching this and you want to donate to the boiler, the pipe work and all the other work that's going on to get the ship sailing again, please do that. And I'll just leave you this nice shot of Loch Lomond in the rain. There we are. Sometimes you come down here, you can see Loch Lomond. Today it's kind of cloudy, so that's that.